Sunmeta leads HT development trend. Located in Yiwu, the world's largest wholesale market, the company is a comprehensive enterprise integrating research and development, production and sales. Specialized in the design, research and development, assembly and manufacturing of high-end heat transfer machines. It has 30,000 square modern production workshop, 300 well-experienced production line technicians, and powerful research and development and production capacity. It has taken the lead in HT development trend. Established in 2007, Sunmeta has been dedicated to enterprise and brand development for 11 years. The company has established two subsidiaries, i.e., Yiwu Sunmeta Technology Company Limited and Sunmeta Digital Graphic Company Limited. Sunmeta and Freesub, two brands. We won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise in 2018. Yiwu new factory was completed in 2017. We introduced several fully automated eco-friendly production lines by investing nearly 10 million RMB, including HT machine production and assembly line. Its production efficiency is increased by more than 30% compared with the traditional method. Eco-friendly car production line reaches zero pollution technical environmental protection requirements and takes the lead in the industry. As for rock slate, globulite MDF production line, US imported multi-cam carving machine improves the cutting precision of raw materials dramatically. The fully closed dust-free plant improves product quality. Our fully automated eco-friendly glass painting acrylic painting production line improves production efficiency by several times higher than the traditional one. Aluminum sheet production line is a domestic leading one that ensures high-quality aluminum material. The reject ratio is reduced by half approximately. We also introduced a domestic large laser cutting machine. It makes cutting high in efficiency, speed, and quality. Our dedication makes us professional. We seek for excellence in every manufacturing stage. Ensure the high quality of products. We have established a modern warehouse in recent years. To realize industrialization and comprehensive development strategy, in virtue of Yiwu's superior foreign trade advantages, we have sold our products to over 50 countries and regions worldwide. The company finally manufactures the prevailing products and builds a famous image with efforts after its birth. For the past years, it has been dedicated to the research and development of heat transfer products and has applied several invention patents, appearance patents, and patents for utility models of heat transfer equipment. Our 3D vacuum sublimation machine and pneumatic car printing machine, hydraulic heat press machine, and mobile phone case heat press machine are world-leading. ST3042 vacuum sublimation machine is able to print different kinds of cups, mobile phone cases, and plates. ST420 multifunctional 3D sublimation machine always stands out among heat press machines. It is able to print different kinds of cups, mobile phone cases, plates, and t-shirts. We also produce sublimation mug, fashionable pillow, and HD aluminum sheet, acrylic and glass crystal materials. Thanks to the innovative cartoon models, vivid color, widely favored by consumers. with twists and turns. Sunmeta grows harmoniously and honestly. We lead our future with science and technology and win a better tomorrow with our brand. We aim to dominate the world heat transfer industry.